sun.
A possible resurgence of this nameplate has actually been hypothesized numerous times, and with the Colony Cruiser out, the Japanese car manufacturer has a fresh and strong foundation on which to construct it. And authorizing the new styling must be a stroll in the park for Toyota's style group, as it would certainly look extremely comparable to the older iteration. Speaking of which, it may have left North America after the 2014 MY, however it remained around in other markets for a few even more years. Japan had it up until 2018, and it passed away in late 2022 between East. The final edition Swansong was capped at 2,500 examples stateside and featured some extra rewards, including the exclusive paint surface called Heritage Blue. In regards to power, it used no surprises, as it preserved the V6 with its 4.0-liter displacement. The result varied depending on the marketplace, and customers needed to settle for rear-wheel drive and a standard transmission with 6 equipments if they picked the most affordable ones. A 4-wheel drive system got on deck, and so was an automatic transmission, whereas the platform was shown the old Land Cruiser Prado, as well as the period's GX design from Lexus. As we already told you, Toyota has all the devices to bring it back from the dead, including numerous energized powertrains that would make it future-proof and most likely popular on both sides of the Atlantic Sea if priced as necessary. After all, it would be an appropriate body-on-frame associate, a sturdy design and most likely very reputable, perhaps to the point where it could wind up taking numerous sales from the 3-door variations of the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco. But does that mean that the automaker based in the land of the increasing sun will provide it one more shot? There is no indication that Toyota is intending to introduce a new FJ Cruiser, so those thinking about it will have to rely upon the used vehicle market, where such designs typically sell for under $10,000 to just over $50,000, depending upon their mileage and total condition. The providing globe has actually gone bananas on trying to think of a brand new Toyota FJ Cruiser ever since the latest Land Cruiser broke cover, and we just recently discovered some fresh electronic pictures that we think are worthy of your attention. A1 Cars on YouTube signed them, and they represent an extremely sensible off-roader.